My name is Sarah Campden. I'm a project manager and civil technician here at Herold Engineering, which is a civil and structural marine and industrial engineering firm. I started out my career working in the architectural field. I actually went to school for architectural building technology here in Victoria. I took a bit of a different path. I started going to Camosun to take computer-aided drafting courses. And that led me to work for a land surveyor. With that, I worked on many projects, construction projects in the Yukon and Nunavut and Northwest Territory and here in Victoria. And from that, I was able to get into the civil engineering consulting field, and having those computer skills allowed me to make a bit of a change from the path I was on. I was asked to work on some civil projects, and I was very lucky finding mentors. When I started out, I was the only woman that was working in the office other than the receptionist, and now I think we're about 50-50 in this office. And I know in the construction field, that's also changing. I just want women and younger girls to know that it doesn't matter if you like it, if you have an interest in it, take it. If you're wanting to get into a job that may work with the construction industry, knowing what those people that are working in it are doing is going to be super useful to you.